Hey guys, Bill from REV Auto, and today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite products, Neo Armor. Now, Neo Armor is our most innovative product. It took us over 3 years to fully develop and test Neo Armor before releasing it to the public. Now, Neo Armor is not a spray wax, nor is it an SiO2 spray. It's actually an advanced spray coating that creates a layer of protection that increases shine, adds depth, and even makes water, dirt, dust slide right off. When properly applied, Neo Armor will give you months of protection. Application is super easy, and here's how you can do it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna apply Neo Armor to one side of the hood while leaving the other side bare. Let me show you guys. Neo Armor is extremely easy to apply. Simply spray on. And we would highly recommend doing this on a clean surface, a clean and cool surface for the best results. And almost instantly you guys can tell that the shine is completely different. It's extremely smooth. Now that we've applied Neo Armor, let me show you guys how effective this product is. Typically, you should let it cure for up to 24 hours for the maximum performance, but almost instantly, you guys can already tell that there's a huge difference. Not only is there added gloss and depth, but the surface is extremely slick. Let me show you guys. The right side has not been Neo Armored. The left side has been Neo Armored. The right side has not been Neo Armored. The left side has been Neo Armored. That's how smooth the surface gets, which means any dust, dirt, or water that lands on there will slide right off, making it that much easier to keep your car clean every single time.